In this video, we will show you how you can reduce the size of any image on your iPhone or iPad without any third-party app. With this guide, you will not only be able to reduce the size of any image from MBs to just a few hundred KBs, but you will also be able to resize pictures by specifying a custom width of your choice. Start by launching the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad and tap on the plus button from the top right corner. Next, search for Select Photos action and add it to your shortcut. After this, tap on the search bar again and type Resize and add the Resize image action to your shortcut. After adding this action, you can tap on where it says 640 and then tap on Ask Each Time option. When you do this, the shortcut will ask you to enter your desired custom photo width for the image every time you run it. Next, tap on the search bar once again and search for Save to Photo Album action and add it to your shortcut. This action will save the resized image to the Recents album of your Photos app. If you like, you can also change the location where the resized photos are saved. Now that all the actions have been added to your shortcut, you have to tap on the I button from the bottom and turn on the toggle for Show in Share Sheet. This will add this shortcut to your device's Share Sheet menu and allow you to trigger it from anywhere on iOS. The last action that we need to perform is to rename the shortcut so that it is easy to find. Let's name this shortcut Image Resizer. Once you are done, tap on the Done button to save the shortcut. Now that our shortcut has been created, we can now run it from the Photos app and the Shortcuts app. To use it, go to the Photos app and open the photo that you want to change the size of. Then tap on the Share button. Scroll up on the share sheet and find your newly created shortcut and tap on it. When prompted, choose the photo that you want to reduce the size for. Now iOS will prompt you again and ask you to enter your desired width for the image. The width is measured in pixels. Enter your desired width and hit the Done button. And as you can see, the image is saved on your device. We can tap on the I button to check the size of the newly created image. And as you can see, the width of the image is now same as the number we entered on the prompt. The size of the image has also been reduced, making it easier for you to share and upload. If you don't want to follow all the steps for creating this shortcut, then you can find the download link in the description of this video. This was our guide for reducing the size of any image on iPhone and iPad. If you found this tip helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.